Coffee beans are only ground right before brewing. The grinder uses high-tech ceramic burrs to avoid generating heat that causes flavor loss.
The convoy is on schedule. We are initiating the wet processing workflow as the harvest arrives.
A high-speed optical sorting system scans freshly picked coffee cherries using
Here, a high-power ultraviolet light system radiates from all sides, combined with a high concentration of ozone gas sprayed in to destroy bacteria.
Automated collection floor. Beneath thousands of breeding cages is a system of stainless steel mesh floors that allows
branch conveyor belts suck the droppings into an enclosed underground pneumatic tube system. Under powerful suction pressure, the material travels at high speed.
At the final collection point, 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 the hard fecal pellets are poured into massive steel vats containing a warm water solution mixed
Inside, soft brush rollers spin in opposite directions, creating friction on the surface of the beans.
The coffee beans pass through a high-concentration ozone-aerated water tank for a powerful oxidation process.
After separation, the coffee beans will slide into a long steel tunnel, where they are attacked by hundreds of high-pressure water nozzles arranged.
Immediately upon leaving the washing line, tons of soaking wet coffee beans are loaded directly into giant stainless steel centrifugal cages.
A vibrating conveyor belt carries the wet coffee particles through an enclosed chamber filled with the purple light of high-intensity.
Buồng sấy bơm nhiệt kết hợp hồng ngoại để mô phỏng tác dụng của ánh nắng mặt trời nhưng loại bỏ tia UV gây hại. Hạt cà phê di chuyển qua băng chuyền.
Right after reaching the standard dry level, the hot coffee beans are poured down into the rapid cooling tower, using a convective cold air stream.
Here, a precisely controlled stream of hot air is blown from below, causing the coffee beans to suspend in the air.
Refining the roast level, medium to medium dark, the roaster maintains a stable temperature after the first crack to extend the development time for the green coffee beans. This mechanical system continuously stirs the beans every minute,
ensuring no single bean lies at
A precisely controlled flow of hot air is blown from below, causing the coffee beans to float, as if boiling in the air.
The process begins at the base of the massive storage silos, where parched green coffee beans that have achieved moisture
Unlike conventional blade grinders that generate heat and scorch the coffee, this roller system is cooled by circulating water inside the core of the roller.
This is the most crucial step to realize the vacuum fresh commitment on the packaging. The filled bags are placed into an airtight vacuum chamber.
Tiệt trùng UHT siêu tốc. Dòng cà phê lỏng đi qua hệ thống ống tiệt trùng UHT, nơi nhiệt độ được nâng lên 135 degrees trong vỏn vẹn 4 giây, rồi làm lạnh ngay lập tức. Labeled hàng giá trị cao, these high-value goods are fast-tracked through screening and loaded onto
At the destination, the coffee is not stored in ordinary warehouses, but is brought to Pharmaceutical Standard Foreign Trade Warehouses, GSP.
The VR quality is incredible.
It really shows the entire process. I feel much more confident about the origin now.
For VIP customers who place online orders, delivery is handled with a white glove service. The delivery person wears a sharp suit, preparing remineralized water. To
To brew the perfect cup of civet coffee, the barista uses pure, filtered RO water. Coffee beans should only be ground right before brewing. The grinder uses high-tech ceramic grinding burrs to avoid heat generation that would evaporate the flavor. The first step is blooming. Gently pour the hot water and wait as the grounds swell up, releasing that rich aroma of earth, smoke, and chocolate.
The first sip reveals a thick, syrup-like body.
We ensure the highest quality through our ethical, high-tech civet farming process.
And the flavor profile is quite unique, I understand.
Absolutely, notes of caramel and chocolate.